Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Bing Naranjo from Bingodesigns. Today we are going to have another tutorial using Gimp, focusing on high-end skin retouching. This is kinda advanced technique and time-consuming, but I know you're going to love the result. This frequency separation we're going to preserve the original texture of the skin. That's why I like this kind of technique. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, let's make a duplicate layer. Then go to Filter, Gaussian Blur. Don't make it too much blur so we can still see the texture of the skin, guys. Now change the mode of the layer into Grain Extract. After that, right click and then make a new visible. Now let's rename the layers. Then change again the mode of the low frequency color back to normal. Now grab the healing tool. Then make sure you use the soft brush and find a spot for a good sample to replace the bad one. Now to grab the sample, you need to press the control, then click. Guys, make sure you set the hardness and the force of your brush. Mine, I set it into 50%. If you want great result, do this slowly and try to zoom in and zoom out to check if there is anything weird going on in the photo, so you can correct. Please continue working on it until you are satisfied with the result. By the way, guys, if this video helps you in any way, please like my video and subscribe to help me grow my channel. I think you get the whole idea. I will speed up this portion. This way you won't get bored while I complete this part. Now, this time, let's work on high frequency. Again, use the healing brush and get a sample. Basically, we are going to remove the dark spot from the photo to make the color even. Guys, if necessary, adjust the hardness and the force of your brush and do it slowly. And keep checking by doing the zoom in and zoom out. Now this time, it's time to group them and make a new visible. We're going to work on dodging and burning to make our photo pop a little bit. Now go to colors, saturation. Let's adjust the saturation, guys. And make a copy of it, and then go to colors and curves. The curves will serve as dodging. I know you already get the idea, right? Then make a mask. Use the black full transparency. The idea here is let's make the specific area darker and the light make it lighter. Again, do this slowly. Keep checking by zooming in and zoom out to check if there is anything weird going on. You can correct by switching your foreground into black. Guys, that's it for this video tutorial. Until next time, bye bye for now, and thank you for watching.